Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use drag and drop feature to copy or move any files from one app to other in Samsung smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here, just to give an example, say let me open a gallery application firstly. And say let me try to select one image. So just tap and hold on it. Now just drag it. Now with the other finger just minimize it. Now say let me open other application, say my files, and say let me drop it here to copy, so you can see. So let us try copying some text file also. So say let me select this text and just tap and hold on it. You can see I can move this text. Now with the other finger just minimize this application and say let me open the notes application and let me paste it here, so you can see. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily use drag and drop feature to copy or move any files from one app to other in Samsung smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.